In this guide, I'll show you how to fix analog stick drift on your PS5 controller without taking it apart. Now just note this is a temporary fix, as sometimes you'll have to take it apart to clean it. So what you want to do is press and hold down on your analog sticks for a few seconds, then you can release, and then you want to rotate your analog sticks along the border counterclockwise for at least 3 rotations. Then do the exact same thing, just clockwise 3 rotations, and then press down on your analog sticks again. Now the reason why we're doing this is to try and remove any dirt, dust, or debris buildup within the controller, and after you've done this, press and hold down on your analog sticks, and then you want to do the same thing while pressing down. So do 3 rotations at least clockwise, and then we're going to press down and do it counterclockwise. Then after you've finished, you can press down on your analog sticks in the center once again. Now after you've done this, the next thing I recommend you do is to push your analog stick to the side, and you'll notice on the opposite side there will be a space that's created when you're pushing down. So what you can do is try and blow into this space, or if you have air duster blaster or electronic contact cleaner, you can spray into those sections to try and clean your controller. And if it's still not working at this point, you may have to take apart your controller and clean it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.